The project name is GitHub Profile Visualizer. The overview of the project is that this is the React-based web application that visualizes GitHub user data. Users can enter a GitHub username and view detailed information like profile, repositories, and repository analysis using the GitHub APIs. It features routing, responsive design, error handling, and live API data fetching. Here in this project, I used component lifecycle to fetch data from the APIs when a component was mounted. And I used conditional rendering to display different components based on the API status. For responsiveness, I used media queries and Flexbox for layouting. The third-party packages I used are React Router DOM and Recharts and React Loader Spinner. So here in the header section, we have a GitHub profile visualizer title and home link navigate to the home page, this is the home page, and repositories link navigate to the repository route. So this is the repository route, and analysis link navigates to the analysis route. So this is the analysis page. Then we have a go to home which navigates back to the home page, and navigation works consistently on all routes. In the home route, a search input allows users to enter a GitHub username. Here, if I enter a username, on clicking the search icon, it makes a GET request to fetch profile details. And it displays a loader while fetching, as you can see. On success, renders the GitHub profile of the user. So here we can see the profile of the user. On the failure, it shows a failure screen with a try again option. So this is about the home profile view. In the repository section, fetches repositories of the searched GitHub user. So as we can see here, we have all the, we also added a loader spinner, as we can see all the repositories of the user. And list and error view on the failure option. If error happens, we can see the failure. And clicking on the repository takes to the details page. As we can see, if I click any of the repository, we can go to the detailed view of the that repository. It fetches and displays detailed information about the specific repository and supports all the same loader, error, try again states. Navigation works properly. And as we can see, we used recharts to display the amount of programs that we have used. And in the analysis route, fetches analysis related data of the GitHub user. So as we can see, and same functionality as other routes, loader, error handling, and no data if no valid username is present. So this is about the GitHub profile visualizer project.